Hello everyone, I'm Sahana from Prajita Sarees. Welcome to our Mega Bandhani sale. Today's video is going to be a bit of a longish one because we have around 20 sarees to show you. I will show you the sarees and my sister Spurti will explain you about these sarees. Let's get started.
The first sari we have for today is an exclusively hand-tied and dyed bandhani sari, a maroon colored bandhani sari with wedding border going on all over the borders. You can look at the Shehnai walas, the baratis, the elephants in the border. That's the pallu you're looking at right now. It has deepam bandhanis all over the body, bandhanis with deepa designs. The blouse this sari comes with is a plain blouse with wedding border and bandhanis for the sleeves. That's the one you're looking at. That's sari number 1, priced at 2,000 rupees. These are semi-Georgette saris, very soft saris. The second sari we have for today is a refreshing orange colored sari, a very, very nice, very pretty color with diya or deepam bandhanis all over the body of the sari. That's the pallu you're looking at, a simple pallu, a wedding themed border in either side of the sari with the highlighting maroon piping in order to highlight the awesome border we have in the borders going on. That's sari number 2. The blouse it comes with is a running blouse, a plain blouse with wedding border and bandhanis for the sleeves. That's sari number 2, priced at 2,000 rupees. The next sari we have is a nice soothing color. What a perfect looking purple this is. Again, it has deepam or diya bandhanis all over the body of the sari with wedding themed border and also a highlighting, a piping in purple color to highlight the antique golden border that we have. That's the pallu, a very pretty and elegant pallu. That's the one. These are not transparent saris. People who don't prefer wearing transparent saris, this one is a must-have. These are not transparent at all. And it comes with a running blouse, a purple colored plain blouse with bandhanis and wedding border for your sleeves. The next one is a firing red colored sari, a very auspicious color. What a lucky color this is. This is a red colored bandhani sari with a wedding border on the either sides of the sari. It comes with a piping in red color again to highlight the antique golden zari woven borders that we have going on the border. That's the one. Look at the pallu. Look how rich this color looks. That's the pallu. These are semi-Georgette saris. They are flowy materials. The fall that these saris give is just amazing. It comes with a running border, running blouse again, plain blouse with borders for the sleeves. That's the next sari, priced at 2,000 rupees. The next one is a very, very unique pink we have, a candy pink colored bandhani sari with again wedding theme in the border with highlighting pink colored piping for the border. That's the one. Look how beautiful this color looks. This color is a must-have in every lady's wardrobe. Look at the border. Look at the wedding theme that just adds up to the glory of these saris. That's the one. These handmade saris are so unique. You know, this kind of border is a very rare to find. That's the blouse that you're looking at, a plain blouse with a wedding themed border and bandhanis for the sleeves. That's the next sari, priced at 2,000 rupees. The next one is a very subtle shade of sky blue, a very, very, very pretty color. Again, it comes with antique gold zari woven border, a wedding themed border with highlighting blue, thin strip of blue to highlight that wedding theme. That's the pallu you're looking at right now. Look how rich the material is. It sticks to your body when you wear it. Such an awesome color. That's the plain blouse with borders you're looking at. That's the next sari, priced at 2,000 rupees. An Anandi blue, a sky blue colored sari. The next one is a very cute color combination. This is exactly what my mom fought with us for. She wanted this sari so badly, we got her another one. So this is the one, peach colored sari with white bandhanis, tied bandhani, handmade bandhanis these are, with wedding border on the either end of the sari with highlighting in pink, a peach colored again. That's how it looks. It comes with a running blouse, a plain blouse with border for the sleeves. That's the next one, priced at 2000 rupees. A very cute color combination, a peach colored sari, and that's how it looks when you layer it up. That's how it looks. So these are non-transparent saris. So this is the one you have to go for, ladies. The next one is my favorite color, a bottle green colored sari with wedding theme on the borders of the sari, with highlighting in green color again to highlight the awesomeness of the wedding themed border. That's the one. See how rich this color looks. That's the one. White colored tight bandhanis all over the body of the sari, the diya bandhanis. That's how it looks. Very flowy materials, very soft materials. That's the one. The intricate detailing you can know when you actually see these saris. It comes with a running blouse again, with the border for the sleeves, with bandhanis, of course. That's the one. That's the border. Priced at 2000 rupees. The last sari in this particular category is a black sari. This is a black beauty, everyone's favorite black beauty. Diya bandhanis all over the body of the sari, with wedding themed border on the either sides of the sari with black piping. Look how rich this color looks. Look at this. Wow. That's the pallu, a simple and yet a very awesome pallu. I just have no words to describe this sari. And it comes with a plain blouse with border and bandhanis for your sleeves. That's the next sari, priced at 2000 rupees. The next category of the saris are quite different. These are checkered bandhani saris, more zari work, more bandhani work. This is the fire-ring red colored sari again in checks pattern, with floral borders and highlighting piping in red color. More zari work and more bandhani work is involved. Look at how grand this sari looks. Wow. And that's how it looks. This is the sari, and it comes with a checkered blouse with floral borders and bandhanis for your sleeves. That's the blouse piece you're looking at right now, again in red color with antique golden zari for the sleeves. This is priced at 2500 rupees. These are also semi-Georgette saris. The one you're looking at right now is a refreshing orange colored checkered bandhani sari with a lot of zari work and bandhani work going on. This is another color. What a refreshing color this is. A floral border with a highlighting in orange. See how much zari work is involved in making these checkered saris. Another grand sari priced at 2500, semi-Georgette saris. The blouse for this particular sari is checkered with floral border and bandhani work for your sleeves. That's the next sari, priced at 2500. The next one you're looking at is a navy blue colored sari, a dark blue colored checkered bandhani sari with lot of antique zari work and bandhani work all over the body of the sari. Look at the pallu for this sari. These saris are very rich. For all the checkered bandhani saris, the pallus are very rich with lot of zari works. Oh my God! Wow! Right. Look how grand the pallu is. Too much of intricacy are involved in making these saris. The designs are really intricate and detailed. The blouse piece again for these saris are checkered with floral border and bandhanis for the sleeves. Price at 2500. The next one is a very unique color combination, a very rich sari, a wine colored sari, a checkered patterned sari again. With lot of zari works involved, with a lot of bandhani works, a wine colored, such a pretty color. This is such an unusual color to find. That's the pallu you're looking at, a very rich pallu. Lot of zari work is involved in this. The border also has a highlighting in wine color to highlight the antique zari finish of the antique gold finish of this sari. The pallu again for this sari is checkered with floral border for the sleeves. The next one you're looking at is a maroon colored bandhani sari. This is the one. This is also a very rich color. When these colors are combined with golden zari, automatically these saris become very grand. See how beautiful it looks. That's the one. And what you're looking at right now is the pallu of this maroon colored sari. Wow. Yeah, this is the one, priced at 2,500 rupees. All the saris we are showing you today are semi-georgette saris, very soft saris, very flowy saris. It sticks to your body. Yeah. The next one is a bottle green colored sari with white bandhanis. These are handmade saris, hand tied and dyed fabrics. Look at the sari. Such a rich color, such rich zari work. That's the border you're looking at. And the pallu you're looking at right now is like this. Lot of bandhani and zari work is involved. That's the one. These give such great fall to the sari, you know. And again, for the like the rest of the bandhani checkered bandhani saris, the blouse is also checkered with bandhani and floral border for the sleeves. That's the next sari, priced at 2,500 rupees. The next one is Sahana's favorite sari. That's why she's shaking the sari so much. And yes, this is a leaf green colored sari, baby leaf green colored sari, with checkered bandhanis all over the body of the sari, with floral borders and also green piping to highlight the zari border. That's the pallu. See how rich the sari looks. All the colors in bandhani saris, I think, are really, really good. Yes, that's the pallu. It was so difficult for us to choose the colors, you know, because every color was so fascinating. We just couldn't choose the colors. The next sari is a peach colored sari, a cute color combination. When peach is mixed with a golden zari, it makes the sari look entirely different. Such a grand looking sari this is, with antique golden zari work all over the body of the sari, with floral borders and little highlighting in pink also, in peach color. That's the entire sari. That's the blouse you're looking at right now. It comes with a checkered blouse piece, a running blouse with floral border and bandhanis for your sleeves. That's a sari priced at 2,500 rupees. The next sari we have is a candy pink colored sari. What a nice color this is. Again, a checkered styled sari. That's the one. The floral borders with highlighting in pink again to highlight the border. Bandhanis all over the body of the sari. Look how rich, how grand the sari looks. It comes with a running blouse. All these saris come with running blouses. That's the pallu you're looking at right now. And that's the blouse, checkered blouse with floral designs for your sleeves. That's the sari priced at 2,500 rupees. The last sari we have for today is a black check bandhani sari. Look how rich the black looks. Oh my god. Wow. The antiques golden zari just highlights the sari even more. That's how the sari looks. Such a rich sari this is. That's the sari. That's the pallu you're looking at right now. A very rich pallu. The borders have highlighting in black. Makes it look even more grand. That's the blouse for the sari. A checkered blouse with floral border for the sleeves. That's the sari priced at 2,500.
Those were the bandhani saris that we had in this video. If you're interested in buying any of these saris, please get in touch with us through WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook Messenger. We will meet you again in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. I am Sahana from Aprajita Saris. Bye.